things that you can look forward to. I'm going to be talking about portable headshot setups. I think that's kind of my forte, my specialty right now. I'm looking for things that are highly portable, light, easy to carry, but still super high quality. So there's going to be a lot of products coming for that kind of thing. Also a lot of other high volume headshot type setups and things like that. After that, I'm going to record some videos that deal with event photography, live photo distribution using Spot My Photos, which I think is really good. Also really good for the high volume headshots for delivery of images. I think that's going to be something else that people are going to be highly interested in. I was highly interested in it, and a lot of trial and error got me to where I'm at now, and I'm very comfortable with all of those things. So there might be some other featured equipment reviews, or at least my reviews of what I see in certain things, what I like, what I don't like, hopefully be able to save some people some money down the road. And then I'm going to start getting into a little bit of other software things, editing, sort of what works for me, what is maybe necessary or not necessary. I think it's another thing that's very helpful for people. And then I need to start recording some proper social media posts, some posts for my website. I really, really need an introductory video so that when people click on my page, they get a little bit of a feel for who I am, what things are all about, and hopefully that leads to more clicks. Hopefully it leads to more clicks and a few less ums, but there's another We'll see how this goes. Anyways, that's good.